Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to respond in a Google Doc. So you'll see that I am already here in my teacher's Google Classroom. I know right up here that I'm in Miss Brooks' crew, and that's the classroom that I know that the assignment is going to be posted in. You also see up here that I've selected the classwork tab. The stream is going to be that main page where you see the big picture and the meet link and the different posts. But the classwork is specifically where you're going to find your assignments. So when I come to this classwork tab, I'm going to look for the assignment that my teacher told me. For this one, I'm going to look at 8/26, that's the date, and then the name of the assignment is Classroom Reflection. What should our classroom look like? When you click on that assignment, it'll open up and give you some directions. Down here is the actual document that you're going to need to open and type into. So I'm going to click on this document. It'll open up in a new tab, and you'll see at the top the name of the document. It'll also actually make a copy for you, so you'll see your name there at the end, knowing that this is your personal copy. There's a spot for the title of the document, the prompt, and in this particular document, your teacher's already given you a sentence starter that you can finish. So the title is Classroom Reflection, and it says, what should our classroom look like? Respond in at least one sentence. The sentence starter says, I think our classroom should look like ... If I want to use this sentence frame, I can just click right here. It moves my cursor down to where this line is, but I don't want these three dots to be in the middle of my sentence. I'm actually going to go delete, type that back, and now it's ready for me to finish. I think our classroom should look like a normal classroom at school, which means there is a spot for my work, a chair. You'll think of the rest, but you need to write at least a sentence. Now you'll notice that when I was typing here, it actually just kept typing in the same font, that means the type of letters, and the same size, and the same color that the prompt was in. That is always going to be a good choice because your teacher has chosen a font and a size and a color for the words to be in that are easy to read, that will fit your words on the page without them being too tiny, but they're also not so big that it's hard to read and takes up the whole page. So if your teacher has already started a prompt, keeping that just the same is going to be your best choice. Now, if for some reason you get a Google document where maybe the teacher has not started typing anything, so you can't see the font or the size or the color to start with, this is the different fonts. And you'll see you get like a little preview of what they're going to look like. You want to pick one that is easy to read. Like I'm not going to pick this really dark all capital letters font because that's not as easy to read as this one where they're just normal letters, just as if I was writing it with my hand. Right here is the font size. And again, if you are choosing a size, if your teacher hasn't already picked one, you'll see, but 8 and 9 are going to be way too tiny. If you get up into like the 20s and 30s, that's going to be way too big. So you're going to want to be here in like the 12, 14, or 18. Those are typically good sizes. And then that's it. We're not going to do anything special with our letters here because again, that makes it harder to read. We are not going to change the text color. We're going to keep it on black because that makes it easier to read. That's all you need to do. When you're done, you're going to come back over here to the assignment and you'll see when you are in it, you'll see a little box that allows you to turn in. I'm not able to show you that because I'm on my teacher view. But as a student, you'll see a spot where it says turn in and you'll need to click that. And that is what will tell your teacher that you finished typing here and you're ready for your teacher to look at it. Good luck.